this should not even be possible. This creator generated 470,460 in under 7 days with an 8-second video as a TikTok Shop affiliate. And they did it without saying a word. This completely blew my mind. I had to jump in and do an investigation of how this is possible. I looked at the video in question, which I'm going to play for you in just a second here. I looked at the product that they were promoting. I also looked at how much commission exactly they took home after generating all this revenue, and who else is doing this. My name is Victor and welcome to Creatibug, where we help you create content, ditch your 9 to 5 and live the life that you want. So the video, I'm going to play it here for you, but you won't be able to hear it due to the copyrighted music. But essentially, she does not say anything in it. It is 8 seconds long. She's got some music playing in the background, and she's got a video of herself working out while she's watching a program on TV, and she's got this text message that is on the screen that is static and pretty much doesn't change throughout the duration of the video. That's it again from the beginning. That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, that is pretty much it. That is the anatomy of a video that earns you 470,460 in under 7 days. Now, it is an 8-second long video. As I say, it's a static message on the screen while she's working out in the background. There was no advertising push at all. It was all organic. As you can see here, it's got no advertising information. So this was all organic push from the TikTok algorithm. We also can see that the song was a future track called Turn Your Love Up, hence why I didn't play the audio. The video was uploaded on the 21st of March 2023, as you can see, 2024, sorry, as we can see there. So it's only been up for a couple of days, a week maybe, just over a week. So it's not been up for a very long time at all. And in that time, she generated the amount of money that she generated. Now we can track how the video did. Just on the bottom right hand side, you can see there's a graph there. So when the video first went up, there was 0 views first day, 0 views second day. She got 21k views third day, and then she got 108k views fourth day. So that's when she started really picking up. And then she got 14.8k views on the day after. So she probably thought, this video's dying now. Basically, the virality is gone, the video's going to be forgotten. And the day after that, she got 36, so it spiked up yet again. Day after that, she got 184k views, so it just kept going crazy from there. She went on to 844k. She went on to 3.5 million the day after, and then she got 3.5 million, 3.4 million, and so forth. And it just basically kept going crazy after that. So as you can see, the trajectory of the video, it didn't start straight away going viral. It first got a couple of, nothing crazy views initially, up and down, and eventually it just completely took off. So it just goes to show, within those first few days of you uploading the video, don't be discouraged if you don't get any views initially. It can take a couple of days, sometimes a couple of weeks, even a couple of months in some instances, before the video just goes absolutely nuts and absolutely kicks off, and you end up making this much money if you have got a TikTok Shop affiliate link attached to that video. And by the way, for those of you who don't know how TikTok Shop affiliate works just in general, I'm going to segue here and we're going to come back to the product, looking at that and the commission that she earned as well. But for those of you who don't know, all this creator would have done is go onto the TikTok Shop product marketplace. She would have looked for a product with good commission that ties into the niche that she likes talking about, or the videos that she likes to upload on TikTok. She then would either buy that product, or she would have had to contact the shop that sells the product to see if they could send her a free sample, so the free product, so she could promote it on her videos. And even if she did purchase it, she would have had a discount to purchase it on as well. So it's not like she would have had to break the bank either way, or she might have had the product already in her premises if it's something she was using anyway. So regardless of the way that she went about getting the product, the return on investment, as you can see here, is way higher than anything she would have done to get the product in her hand. So again, she would have used any one of those methods in order to get the product. Sometimes creators will purchase the product off Amazon in order to receive it like next day delivery, so they can create a video about it. There's a bunch of different ways that you can get that exact product. I have got a TikTok Shop affiliate free course that I've linked in the description that you can check out, where I go into a lot more detail about how to source products as a TikTok Shop affiliate. And sometimes you can even create videos without having the product in hand. So there's a bunch of ways that you can go about doing this. But in this instance, she created it by acquiring the product and having it in her hand. And then from there, she would have filmed a video of herself using the product like she did, and somewhere in the video description she would have placed a tiny little product link, like a little basket that people can click on to purchase the product. And this 470,460 is basically how often people pressed and clicked on that little itty bitty basket to purchase the product. And as you can see, the product price range is around $62.99. So a lot of people clicked on that link to purchase the product for her to come to this amount. Our product itself, just kind of segueing nicely into that, seeing as we've looked at the video. So again, the product is called Nice Day Steppers, a product which is exercise equipment. That's the price range of the product. She had to sell 9,270 units. Product usually goes for around 10% commission when you get it from the TikTok Shop and promote it as a TikTok Shop creator. So she would have received around 10% commission or more out of this amount right here, which is just absolutely crazy. Now, segueing nicely into the commission, 10% off this amount we've got right here would have worked out at $47,046 in under 7 days just from this one product. Keep in mind, you can upload multiple videos and multiple products and promote multiple products on your profile on TikTok, and she was just promoting this one product in this one video here, and that's how much she generated. And also do keep in mind, when products go viral, shops tend to raise commissions so they can encourage you to reply to comments, create more videos promoting that product from that particular shop. So she could have easily received double the 47,046 in commission, 20%, 30%, 40%. We don't know. The limitation with TikTok Shop is when I check that product in my product marketplace, I get a commission amount based on what I would get if I was promoting that product, not what that creator is getting. So this is just an estimate. She could have likely received much more than that in commissions. And in terms of whether there's any other people that are doing this, as you can see, there's a bunch of other creators that I've created videos around exactly the same product. There's a bunch of other creators that are creating videos with exactly the same product here, and all of them made money in the last 7 days. One got 1 million views, she made $63,000. That one there got 500,000 views, she made $39,000. He made 29k, she made 26k. That was an ad, so she did get a bit of an ad push there, but still 26k is not bad for revenue. And there's a bunch of other creators as well here that have generated revenue as well. Obviously nowhere near the 470k, 460 that she created, so she's easily the most viral out of all of these videos. But still, these people have easily made, most of them, more than you would make in your normal 9-to-5 day job in under 7 days by promoting these products as TikTok Shop affiliates in terms of the commission that they would have received. Absolutely crazy case study here. I'll link all the resources that I've used in this video in the description. The tool that I've used is called Kalo Data. I will link it in the description as well, so you can go ahead and give it a spin and take it for a spin yourself and find similar case studies like this if you are interested in jumping onto this opportunity that is called TikTok Shop in 2024. Again, 470,460 without saying a word. What are your guys' thoughts to this? Let me know in the comments. This creator generated $41,790 with a 14-second video as a TikTok Shop affiliate in just the last 7 days.
These little cameras can take retro pictures like...
Now, the product they promoted typically offers around 15% in commission. They made $895.50 per day in commissions. Now, if you stick with me up until the end of the video, you will know what they said, you'll know how and why they said it like they did, and where you can access similar money-making scripts at no cost. Let's jump straight in. The tool.
They hit almost $6,000.
That's what I woke up to Friday morning.
$5,950
Creator fund. This is how much money that I made from it in one day.
79. Day number 2, September 11th.
$1,776. $3,769
within a month. 14,000
last November.
$4,235.15.
A program worth it? My answer is yes.
Pretty good, huh?
I've been in it for 20 days and I've already made $2,500.
This is how much I've made.